Pop, upbeat, dystopia, inspirational, random, chaos! Count Arthur Strong is a former variety star living in the north of England. Count Arthur Strong is a former variety star living in the north of England. The Count, now in his old age, has delusions of grandeur. He has selective memory loss, never hearing what he doesn't want to, and malapropismitis, which result in his confusing anyone he happens to be talking to, and even confusing himself. However, he more often than not blames the people he is talking to for causing the confusion in the first place. A typical conversation for the Count will involve his confusing both himself and others, while becoming drastically sidetracked from the matter in hand. He is usually oblivious to the chaos he causes, often blaming his interlocutors for any confusion. On the rare occasions he realizes he is at fault, he often attempts to divert the blame by lying, inevitably becoming confused by his own lies. His last resort is usually to claim he was recording a stunt for a hidden camera show. The Count does very rarely encounter frustrating situations which are not his fault, such as doing a cooking show and only being brought products that were prepared in packets. However, he tends to simply complain in these circumstances before making matters worse than they were to start with. He has a misguided belief in his ability to hold his drink, and has often performed on stage or live TV radio when drunk, or occasionally concussed with similar effects. He will often go to great lengths to get as drunk as he can, as cheaply as he can. And now here is the phrase you have been waiting for: I really do, I really do, I really do, I really do. Now look in the description of this video, for goodness sake, for Arthur's cunning secret link. Look in the description, not so secretly, not so secretly. Now look at the description.